I'm Soha and welcome to Power Hour presented by Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series. This is where fitness meets fun, and with AI right on your wrist, every move, every rep and every heartbeat gets just a little bit smarter. And today we're doing this right here at the Zone 360 Fitness Bandra. And my guest today is someone who's made millions of you laugh. But today, I'm going to see if he can make it through this workout without crying. He's a powerhouse creator, a YouTube legend, and an all-round entertainer. Ashish Chanchlani.
But I find this funny, you know. This is
not
good.
funny.
This is very cool.
This is okay.
Very cool.
I'm shaking.
Oh no, I can't.
I can hear your knees crack.
You can? ये तो नवाब है.
मैं actually नवाबजादी हूँ.
नवाबजादी, I don't know, sounds very. It's okay. So
आपको as an actor किसी का बायोपिक करना हो.
नीरज चोपड़ा.
But also, can you?
फेंकने में होशियार हूँ मैं.
Your heart is in what condition now?
Sometimes, you know, when I need that rage
Yeah.
in my mind, I just play all of these Kabir Singh songs.
आपके दिमाग में किसी का इमेज आता है?
Yeah, आता है, but I should not say that. Hey, no shade to anyone, huh? No shade to anyone.
So let's welcome Ashish Chanchlani.
Wow, hi, how are you? Oh my God, look
So
at
nice to meet you.
He's so fit. Now I look unnecessarily big in front of him.
No, why?
I'm all conscious. I'm
Zip up your jacket.
That's better.
You are hugely fit. You've been an inspiration for so many people.
Thank you.
And everybody knows your whole story already.
Yeah,
You've shared, no,
they do.
I'm asking you.
I don't know. Do they?
You've shared your
That's
journey.
the reason I came here, na? So I can gloat. I can.
Oh, okay. I don't know. People are asking questions that they've already know the answer to, but I'm hugely inspired because you just showed me some pictures.
Yes.
And then you have obviously lost a massive amount of weight.
Yes.
But more importantly than that, you feel better.
100%. I think it's the best decision that I took in my life.
Yeah.
And once you are into this lifestyle, it's very addictive.
Yeah.
There is no going back.
Yeah. But what is your favorite that cheat meal that you dream about?
After a point, you know, when you diet so much, I think a simple wheat roti also at home is a paratha is also like a good cheat meal. No?
Yeah.
What is your cheat meal?
So I don't have cheat meals.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm so disciplined कि मेरी life
That's the most Bollywood thing I've heard. No, please don't do that.
No, I swear to you, and if my friends will also tell you कि मैं हर दिन same ही खाती हूँ.
Hey, that's nice, but
और
कुछ तो होगा आपका अच्छा.
मैं हर दिन एक चॉकलेट केक का स्लाइस खाती हूँ. हर दिन. मतलब जिसमें
हाँ जिसमें
स्टीविया
हो, monk fruit
के बारे में
हो. अभी नया है monk fruit का.
मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं है monk fruit.
शुगर फ्री रागी वाले केक भी आए हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन वो सब रागी कोकोनट शुगर से भी डॉजी.
हाँ, अच्छा वो भी डॉजी होता है.
हाँ.
हम तो इतने अमीर हुए नहीं कि अभी तक हमें पता चला कि कोकोनट
मैं बनाती हूँ. You hang out with me. I will
ठीक है,
tell you. But right now you tell me कि आपके weight loss का हिस्सा में nutrition तो बहुत बड़ा है. But what about workout?
Yeah, jogging. Then I do some core.
Okay.
After core, then I start my weight training. And post my weight training, daily I do 40 minutes of cardio.
Wow.
And that cardio is high intensity.
आप फोन के साथ करते हो workout?
No.
नहीं.
I need music and dramatic.
Side में डाल देते हो.
Side में and dramatic music. It's always. Sometimes it's love songs also.
Because your heart is in what condition now?
My heart was in a very bad
Yeah.
condition, but I'm very healthy now. So
So now your heart is not so broken.
yeah, not so broken. But sometimes, you know, when I need that rage
Yeah.
in my mind, I just play all of these Kabir Singh songs and I start.
और फिर आपके दिमाग में किसी का इमेज आता है?
Yeah, आता है, but I'm not. I should not say that. It sounds very toxic, but in my mind, I just take that as a motivation and I just. Hey, no shade to anyone, huh? No shade to anyone, please.
No, I think you're channeling all
Yeah.
your emotions in a very healthy way.
Yeah.
और आप जिम में और वर्कआउट में आपके अपनी frustration दिखा सकते हैं. हम सब करते हैं.
बिल्कुल. But ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना चाहिए ना. लोग wanna भी समझते हैं ना. So
हाँ, ठीक है.
आपको ऐसा भी लगता है?
आप wanna भी बिल्कुल नहीं दिखते.
पक्का?
पक्का 100%.
Thank you. Oh my God.
So today we're going to work out with you.
Yeah.
And आप हमें बताएंगे कि आप किस किस्म का वर्कआउट करते हैं. I'll try and follow, keep up with you.
Okay.
Or you try and keep up with me.
Okay. Done.
Maybe I'll introduce you to some things that I do.
Okay. Then I don't think I'll be able to tell you what to do because you're a veteran in this.
Firstly, please don't call me a veteran.
Come on, sorry.
Veteran,
No.
60 plus.
Okay.
उम्र में.
I'm sorry.
You already called me senior.
You are senior.
You said no, even senior to me.
You're a young senior to me. Is that okay?
Just say I'm shorter than you.
No.
So that's fine.
No, but you are very fit. My point being is
I'm-
you are very experienced into this. So I think I'll try to follow you.
Okay, we will just
Yeah.
try and work out.
Yeah.
But we'll start with some kind of warm up that you do.
Yeah.
You do, I'll follow.
ठीक है, that's
So before we begin, Ashish, I actually want to check if I'm really ready for this workout or not by checking my watch. So my Galaxy Watch 8 is basically like having AI on my wrist. So it checks my energy score by analyzing my sleep, by analyzing my recovery and my heart rate, and then it tells me if I'm genuinely ready to work out or if I'm just pretending. So my energy score is 76, which is pretty good. I want to check my vascular load also, which actually tells me the stress on my heart and on the blood vessels while I sleep. And thankfully it is steady. So I am genuinely ready to go.
But I find this funny, you know. This is very funny.
बच्चे करते हैं ना?
हाँ, I think
This is
this is
not
good.
fun.
This is very cool.
This is okay.
Very cool. Okay. Now can we go for some planks?
How many seconds?
I don't know. Maybe right now. Let's see. You know what, guys? Take 4 to 5 angles and make it a 5-minute. Okay.
Okay,
Chal.
let's go.
I thought this will be easy, but talking while being on plank is very hard.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm shaking.
Are you?
Yeah.
How are you so calm?
Because I'm an actor.
Wow.
Inside, I'm dying.
Hey, hi, so
Lift
what's
your hips.
Okay.
You're cheating.
Okay. Yeah, so look at my hips also now. They're extremely large.
So then you should, okay, you're holding up, you're saying you're holding up more than I am.
Yeah.
Guys, we can do the whole episode like this.
Oh, no, I can't.
It's only a 10-minute episode. If you fall, I'll fall.
Chalo. Ha.
और क्या हो रहा है?
Cut this part where I fell off. And we'll just cut to Soha being there. To show I won. Okay?
Oh, tough though.
Yeah, it is tough. It's tough.
So when you were overweight and you were losing weight, what about like injuries?
Yeah, there was one injury that happened during a chest workout. I was trying to lift heavy, ego lifting.
हाँ, वो भी होता है ना.
So I injured my shoulder. To everyone watching this, be very careful and have a supervision. Have a right supervision in life because it can push you back for like 8 months.
Yeah.
And because of that, I couldn't like build my chest muscles.
Feel like I'm in a PT class. Tell me to stop stretching.
We're done.
I'm warmed up. Are you warmed up?
I
You're
am
sweating.
warmed up. I am sweating. Yeah.
So I think we can get into the main workout.
Let's
now.
go. Let's go.
Chalo.
So I was just talking to Soha and I asked her, Soha ji, आप lactose intolerant तो नहीं है? So she's like, मैं whey protein पीती नहीं क्योंकि मुझे प्रोटीन का सोर्स आते रहता है. And then it hit me. ये तो नवाब है.
मैं actually नवाबजादी हूँ.
नवाबजादी हो. I'm sorry for my. I'll correct the gender.
Gender.
The gender. ये नवाबजादी है. नवाबजादी I don't know sounds very. It's okay. So गलौटी कबाब और क्या रेड मीट और लाल मांस.
अपने नेचुरल डाइट में
काफी मिलता है. हमें नहीं मिलता है ना. हम नवाब नहीं है ना. क्या करें. So guys, now we are going to do one of my most favorite workout, incline bench press and आप पहले जाएंगे या मैं जाऊँ?
नहीं, आप पहले आप.
ठीक है. तो पहले हम वेट्स लोड करेंगे सर जी. वैसे तो मैं खुद अपने वेट लोड करता हूँ लेकिन हम इतने अमीर शो पे है कि मेरे पास एक आदमी है वेट लोड करने के लिए तो मैं देखना चाहूँगा.
No, we have winner ना?
या हम सोहा के साथ है तो हमें ये सब सर्विसेज मिलेंगी. Place it in the right place. Okay, and then lift it and keep your elbows very closer to your body. So when you do this, it completely stretches your chest. So now we have to isolate our movements into the chest workout. Okay, I'll keep it a little lower so that आप कर पाओ.
For me.
Okay. Okay.
And then all the way down.
Yes. You can bring your elbows a little closer to your body. A little, yeah. Nice. आप अच्छा कर रहे हो अभी.
It's quite tough.
Yeah, it is. I know. Wow.
ये मेरा last वाला fatigue.
Yeah. Ah, there you go.
Oh,
Okay, good. Very
Oh,
nice.
that's good.
I think that was a very good last rep.
Yeah, I felt
That's
it.
what.
Will become shaky at the end.
So
आपने खाना खाया?
मैंने खाना खाया नहीं, मुझे आपने खाना खाया?
घर से मैं लाई हूँ. I told you काठी rolls.
एक मिनट. How is kathi roll healthy?
Because if you make the kathi roll with a quinoa wrap, it's
Whoa.
grain free.
Okay. Where do you get quinoa wrap?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
There's places actually now, Bandra.
Bandra. Yeah, very cool. Mobility drills.
Mobility drills and quinoa wraps. Yeah.
Now I also want to have kathi roll.
I've got one extra one.
Pakka.
After this.
When are you serving me some royal food?
Oh, not in my house.
Oh shit. No way. Okay. So now we are doing rowing. In this workout, I believe the stretch is very important.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got niggas mad.
But I like how you understand
Yeah.
how this is impacting what muscle.
Yeah. That is very important.
But a lot of people don't.
Yeah.
So I think that you're obviously invested in this journey.
Yes.
Flipping through the payroll. I'm about my bank notes. Nigga, look, they taking those. What the fuck?
What about if you are tired? Then do you rest your body or do you feel, okay, no, I'll push through?
No. If I'm tired, I make sure I have a good sleep.
Like what time is bedtime?
I think the most ideal time is realistically 11 to
How many days in a week are you sleeping at 11? Not even one.
not even one.
You're like, let me see.
No, I'm just trying to ideally for people.
Yeah, it's true though.
But night time is so
Yeah.
it's a me time, na?
Yeah.
I want to watch something.
Yeah.
When I munch off. Night time is the worst for me, guys.
Yeah.
I'll tell you why the cravings. Oh my god.
Binge TV, binge eating. That's why I go to sleep at 10:30. Then it doesn't happen.
I think Mexican food is good. Like we can have a little क्या बोलते हैं, guacamole because it has avocado. I'm sounding so posh right now.
I know, I was not.
My audience is going to kill me, dude.
Yeah, this is like
I used to be from Ulhasnagar. I used to be a sandwich Anna Vada Pav guy.
Mexican food.
Now, yeah.
There's only one Mexican restaurant in Bandra anyway.
Yeah.
Which is just recently opened. So I don't know where you're going to get this Mexican food.
Let's see.
I want to know what is one thing that you do besides working out, Ashish, that like brightens your day. Like suppose you're in a bad mood. Do you get into bad moods?
Yeah, obviously. I do.
So it's suppose like it's leg day
Yeah.
and you're in a bad mood. Then what like or someone or something?
I usually try to play games online. It kind of releases. क्या बोलते हैं? Releases me like
Candy-
Call of Duty. नहीं.
Oh, acha.
Anyway, Call of Duty, yeah. Then all that aggression goes into it. Talking to friends or just going on a drive sometimes.
Yeah.
Wanna dip out to Barbados, I'm still trying to comprehend what's a day off. Been moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off. I'm protecting my peace.
So
Pucho, Ashish.
what brightens your day?
Caffeine brightens my day.
Yeah.
My daughter
Oh,
brightens
wow.
my day. My dog. My husband.
You
Not
have
in that
to-
order.
Yeah.
I should put my husband.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah. Acha, you are an extroverted person.
I'm an extrovert.
Thank God.
Why?
I was always in. I think introverts are taking over the world. I'm also a very extroverted
I'm an
person.
extroverted person.
Thank God. Everyone. I mean, no. I'm an introvert.
Not like phone conversations.
Oh,
I never answer my phone.
definitely remind me of someone.
Who?
I will tell you that later.
I think I know. Is that person you imagine when you're working out?
No. It's something I'll tell you.
I really want to know.
Yeah, I will behind the camera.
Just whisper.
No, I can't. Mike catches it.
Moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off.
I think Soha has really maintained herself so well, and the way she has maintained herself, these workouts are good. But even if she continues to just do core, a little cardio, and have her own good vacation days, she can still maintain this because her body is used to it.
Thank you.
अब तो खिला दो मेरे को. Okay guys, अभी हम करेंगे lat pull down for your back. Now we are acting, huh? So suddenly,
Yes. And 99. And 100.
I think you'll get a better montage here. Us laughing.
I feel like tickling you. What about supplements? Do you take any
Yes.
supplements?
Boron, magnesium, zinc, iron.
Magnesium I also take
Yes.
for recovery and for sleep. But what about boron? I've not heard of boron.
Boron helps you in your bone health.
Right.
People often overlook bone.
हाँ जी.
I believe they like, okay, so calcium important hota hai. But I think a bone requires a lot of other stuff and not just the muscles. Everything has to be, क्योंकि हम इतना खींच रहे हैं, हम इतना workout कर रहे हैं. What if your bone is a little weak and it snaps? So these little supplements are very important. Creatine is the most researched, by the way, supplement.
I know. I'm researching it right now actually because
It's
women
my most favorite supplement.
and a lot of people just assume men take creatinine.
Yes.
But women also need creatinine.
Yes, somebody told me that my mother,
हाँ.
if she starts creatine,
Yes.
she will have a better, क्या बोलते हैं, joint
Yeah, I think
issues
for
solve हो
performance
जाएंगे.
also, like
Performance.
for the period that you're taking creatinine,
Yeah.
if you take that, then your performance level
Cognitive.
is enhanced, cognitive development, brain fog, all those things are improved.
So I think it's not just limited to men. For men, I'll just say ever since I started taking creatine, my performance enhanced. I was able to lift more,
Yeah.
and I had better definition of muscles too all over my body. So please go for creatine, and don't assume that it bloats you. There's a lot of misinformation
Yeah,
about
lot of myths.
lot of it's like it's called animal protein, if I'm right. Creatine is animal protein. So a lot of people that don't eat non-vegetarian chicken or consume red meat especially, come on, let's go.
It's healthy.
Not every day do I get to work out with Soha Ali Khan. Come on.
No. And depending on how today goes, maybe never again. हो गए ना कितने? And this is nice when you stretch.
Yeah, it's very good.
And
And that stretch is very important.
just before we do this core machine, I want to ask you, of course it must come with side effects. लेकिन अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा weight lose करना है,
हाँ.
obese है आप, तो उसमें भी कुछ risks होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So some doctors say कि we weigh up the risks and फिर we prescribe Ozempic and Mounjaro for some people who need to lose weight. तो आपने कभी इस बारे में सोचा?
Ozempic is one thing that kind of makes you lose your appetite.
Yeah.
It's a diabetes
Yes.
medicine.
Yes.
So it replicates what your pancreas does. Your pancreas kind of, in the long run, stop working.
Right.
This is what I've heard.
Right.
And it also has a side effect of partial blindness.
This information is coming out more and more.
Yeah, it is very risky. मैं तो बोलूँगा नहीं करो. I would always go against it.
And that's what I'm saying. How much
Yeah.
weight have you lost?
I was at 130 kgs. Then I lost around 40 kgs. Then I lost 5 kgs more. That's around 45. Then I gained back my weight because I told you I'm trying to gain some muscle. So I'm at 94 right now. So I'm trying to now be in this area only. I'll go back to in 80s.
Yeah.
But I'll make sure that I'm a little more muscular
Yeah.
than before.
Yeah. Good.
Chalo. Now we are doing abs. So are you a music person
No.
while workout?
End of conversation. I won't even notice कि in a party I won't notice if there's music.
So you don't enjoy music?
I really like silence
Wow.
and the sound of
आपकी और
silence.
मेरी बहुत बनेगी. So okay, now I'll try.
So like, what's the music that's coming into your mind right now?
Right now, it's from Avengers: Infinity War when Thor is trying to make his weapon.
Nice.
Chuck the India. I listen to suddenly I'll be like, oh, now I'm a hockey coach.
Yeah. So when you say must, like, who's your inspiration in terms of I want to look like this person?
Chris Evans. I'm a very big Marvel fan. So Captain America: Civil War. There is this scene where he runs and pulls the helicopter.
Yeah. My heart rate is 99.
Mine is 91.
And I have burned 376 calories.
And I have burned 411 calories.
But that sounds about right. Well done.
But
Not
that's
bad, huh?
crazy, huh?
Great,
That's
huh?
crazy.
Okay, Ashish, just one more thing. We're almost done. Before we finish, I want to do something which is called the Beat the Clock Challenge. Are you ready?
I can't beat her.
No, you have to beat me. You have to beat the clock. So this is Beat the Clock Challenge powered by Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. And what I love is that I have a built-in Gemini. So I can just ask my Galaxy Watch 8 to find the perfect finisher for today's strength session.
Okay.
Hi Gemini, suggest a 1-minute workout for me and my partner. This is going to be interesting because Gemini is suggesting intense. We have to do squats.
But good
In
form or
1
just
minute?
uthak baitak?
No, great form.
Okay,
Go
ठीक है.
slow, okay?
ठीक
Go
है,
very
sir.
slow.
Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, okay.
Ain't my daddy, but he calling me baby. Talk ain't cheap, so he know he gotta pay me. Chauffeur got him driving Miss Daisy. When it's
I can hear your knees crack.
You can? Wow. Good way to eliminate competition.
Or maybe it's my knees.
No, it's mine.
Oh,
Come on. Oh.
oh.
I also have a flat feet problem.
So do I.
So, oh, you do?
Okay.
Oh, wow. Shit. I can't use that excuse.
Why don't you tell me about your upcoming series now? Hey Kaki.
Hey, Kaki. You were never alone in squatting.
Yeah. So are you excited about your release?
Yeah. I am very nervous.
Horror comedy.
Yes.
he ain't mine, he ain't mine.
Ah,
And done.
done. Kitne ki?
Pehले आप बताओ.
Okay, honestly, 27 reps.
Mine says only 60. So I am very happy to tell you that you beat the clock.
Yes,
I did 16 reps squats in 1 minute and you did
27.
27.
Yeah.
So just by a little bit.
Yeah.
You are today's winner.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well
Thank you. Yay!
But I'm really
Socialize.
looking forward to seeing your series because I love horror comedy.
Thank
As
you.
you know, that
Thank
this is a genre that is close to my heart.
Yes.
And Kunal has done
It is?
Yeah, I was also in Goga Gone
Oh.
for like one jhalak.
Oh,
You expand my filmography. I'm just the ex-girlfriend.
Oh,
Comes for like
yes.
3 seconds. Let's see how many calories I burn watching that.
Oh, wow.
You know,
I
you
think-
burn calories watching
Yeah,
horror.
right? Yeah.
Your heart rate goes up. It's good. We can now cool down a little bit.
Yes, we can.
Cooling down is also very important.
Yes.
As important as warming up.
Yeah.
And to do something that I find a little bit fun. So my Galaxy Watch 8 can even measure my antioxidant levels. Basically, it tells me if I've been good enough to earn that cheat meal tonight. So let's check. And I measure like this. And I'm praying for dessert. But let's see what will happen. Oh no. It's a bit low, which basically means no dessert for me tonight. So as our heart rates stabilize, I thought I'll just chat with you a bit more and ask you कि अगर आपको as an actor किसी का biopic करना हो, वो role अदा करना हो, तो who would you like to play?
As an actor, I would love to actually do a biopic of Neeraj Chopra. I know I'm not that, but a lot of people, we have same hairstyles.
There's a definite
Yeah, but
jump.
I need,
But also, can you throw?
I will throw. फेंकने में होशियार हूँ मैं. So,
And lastly,
hmm.
what hurts you more? Like bad comments on YouTube, which everybody gets. I'm sure you must have got a couple. Or leg day.
Easy answer, guys. Leg day. I mean, comments don't hurt me personally.
No?
They're not in my body.
Ah.
Leg workout.
But they get into your mind.
Mind. They get into my mind, but leg, body, soul, mind, everything.
Yeah. And in leg day, you can just take out all
I mean,
your-
if I'm getting bad comments on a leg day, what about that? That's even worse.
That's the worst thing
That's
ever.
the worst thing ever, and it will increase only because of the leg workouts. Yeah, leg days. Leg days it is.
Done. Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Soha. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you.
Soha is a wonderful host. Please subscribe to the channel, and you are watching Powerhouse.
Not at all. Power Hour. Sponsored
Power
by
Hour.
Galaxy Watch 8.
You know what, guys?
Yes,
Just
I did my
subscribe.
job. I will do the
You
end
know
link.
what,
Thank
guys?
you.
You
I
know-
will do the end link. Thank you.
You put this-
Thank you for having us. Happy to be on the show.
Okay.
मैं संभाल लूंगी.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
So that was Power Hour with the hilarious and the very hardworking Ashish Tenslani. Proof that fitness can be fun and laughter is perhaps the best pre-workout. So keep moving, keep laughing, and let your Galaxy Watch 8 keep up with both.